Hello, hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Tuesday morning. It's the second, no, not the second, it's the 4th of August 2026. And today, uh, this is what we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for potential sales above this level here. We never got activated for the sales, for the buys. We are looking for potential buys above this level here. We never got activated for the buys, or a confirmation for the buys. For the sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level here. Uh, we got a signal confirmation we got a confirmation for the sales. This was our confirmation for the sales. This candle closing below our level with good bearish momentum. Uh, the size of the wick was not that big, so there's no weak rejection. There's no strong weak rejection. So this gave me confidence in taking a sell here, telling the market telling me that it will not continue pushing down. So once I saw this break, I was waiting for a retest here to activate my sell and push the market down. Uh, once the market we were watching the market. Once the market tapped into our TP1, we got this strong weak rejection here, and then it started consolidating here. Before that, there was this fair value gap here. You can see the fair value gap. It price tapped into it. Tried to get to our level. I didn't get to our level. Tapped into the fair value gap. Some rejection. Then this happened at around 9:30 p.m. So for me, if I don't get activated by 7 p.m. East African time, um, I'm usually done for the day by 7 p.m. If I don't get activated, then the day is done. So that's how I didn't get into this trade. Okay. Especially due to this weak rejection, strong weak rejection after tapping our TP1, and then we had this consolidation here. Price was stuck between this fair value gap and this TP1 here. So once it got to 7 p.m., I deleted my sell limit. I had a sell limit is already set here. Once this candle broke below our level, I had a sell limit set here. This was my sell limit here. A sell limit set here. Stop loss here, and I was targeting this level here. This was my take profit. So kept watching the market, seeing what the market was doing. We got this weak rejection. Uh, it didn't do any good to my confidence in this trade, because this the waist size of this week is very long on the board. You can see these are hanging man doji. Okay. And a hanging man doji usually symbolizes a pullback or a reversal. Okay, it's a signal for a reversal. So that's why I didn't have confidence taking this trade around here. Plus, it was already past my trading time, because I only take trades up to 7 p.m. If I'm not activated by 7 p.m., I'm out of the market and done for the day. Okay, so those are my rules. You have to formulate your own rules to stay in this game. So that's what happened yesterday. Yesterday was a no trade day for me. I didn't take a trade on gold. So let's see what to expect today. Uh, First, we dive into the fundamentals. The fundamentals today is a free market. We have no fundamentals unless for this medium impact, the jobs openings. And this will be coming in at 5 p.m. But remember, this is medium impact. Okay, this is medium impact, so it's nothing to worry about. The only thing you could be worrying about is any breaking news regarding the conflict between US and Iran. And let me see what Trump had to say. Phase two with Iran is the D. neutralization after opening the strike. So the according to this, it's pointing to the an agreement between the two parties, that is Iran and the US. I don't know what they've agreed upon, but you can wait and see. So status of US-Iran talks uncertain as ships struck in Hormuz. You can see what is happening. This was 58 minutes ago, and it's got like a currency pair now. We have like nothing else on the book. Okay, okay. That's our gold. That's our gold. I love gold. Mm. So yeah, watch out for any breaking news. Any tweets from Trump or the Iranian growth team, and then that could cause volatility in the market. Okay, so now that's all on the fundamentals. Let's dig into the charts, see what you can get today. So, like always, we remove everything and start our analysis afresh every morning. Do a fresh analysis every morning. Remember, I told you the market is dynamic. Your points of interest yesterday may not be the points of interest today. Okay, so that's why we do a fresh new analysis every morning. And we start by identifying our levels of support, our resistance and support. So that's our resistance there on the monthly, and our support is here on the monthly. It's our monthly support. We're going to use June's candle, the week of June's candle. Okay, that's our support on the weekly. On the weekly, we are looking at the support has not changed on the weekly, and the resistance is still the same point we had the previous month. This resistance, the weekly resistance up there. Jump down to the daily. On the daily, you're still looking at the same zone, the same area. We had this break of structure here, leaving this swing high here, and then we had an internal break of structure. The reason I'm marking this internal strike break of structure is because price will have to break through this internal resistance before it can get to this the swing structure, the high on the swing structure. Okay, so that's why I marked the two. And as you can see, as I was telling you yesterday, on the daily, price has been consolidating for the entire July. The entire of July, price has just been in consolidation. It's moving sideways. It has not broken above or broken below this level. Once it breaks below this level or breaks above this level, then we can say it has broken out of the consolidation, the daily consolidation. Okay, so all along the entire month of July, we've just been trading these consolidations here. But on lower time frames, you can see we had a bullish leg, we had a bearish leg, then a small pullback here, then from here to here. Now this is consolidation. This is all consolidation. So we go down to 4 hours, and on 4 hours now, this is where we are looking at this level here, where we had this break here, this change of character here. This is where we had the change of character. Since we had that change of character, price has not broken below that level or above this level here. This is the high. Remember, this is the high. According to this change of character, this break, this is the high, and this is our low here. So price has not broken above or below this level here. So that's where we are stuck at on the 4-hour time frame. So when you get to the 4 hours, I like to move this to where the bodies are seated, right there, and identify this level as our target. That's our target there. Same thing on the sell side. Identify this level as our target here. And this is where we are now. So jump down to 1 hour. And on 1 hour, what are we looking at here? On 1 hour, we are looking at we had this break of structure on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we had a break of structure there, followed by a change of character here. Then price has not broken above this level. Price has not broken above that level, nor has it broken below this level here. So this is where we are on the 1 hour. This is the low, and this is our high on the 1 hour time frame. Our low, our high. Okay. So jump down to 30 minutes. And on 30 minutes is where we can get our entries from. So on 30 minutes, we are looking at this level looks, this is a significant level. You can see it has been tapped 2 times. So let's leave it there. But now we are going to look at 30 minutes. We had on 30 minutes, we had a break of structure here. Let's start from here. We had a break of structure there. Then we had this change of character here. After the change of character, price has not broken above, nor has it broken below. So this is where we are, break of structure. That's a break of structure there. Then we have a change of character. Now that change of character there. So price has not broken below this level or above this level here. So this is our 30 minutes resistance and our 30 minute support up here. So how we take this market is so this is what I'll be looking for on this market. This is our low on the 30 minutes time frame, and this is our high on the 30 minutes time frame. So let me adjust this one here. Let me just adjust this level here. That's our low, that's our high. So we move this one to the body there, sitting on the body there, and identify this level here. This is our safe sell, potential sells below. And then here We bring it to the bodies here, and this is our safe buys above. This is our safe buys above, safe sells below. All this is consolidation here. All this is just noise. For the quick buys, high risk buys, you can look at this level here. You can see there's a resistance here. There's this resistance here. There's that level there. And then there's this level here. So if you're looking to take quick buys, high risk buys and high risk sells, this is where you can enter high risk sell here. High risk sells, and here you can enter high risk buys. This is 7:30 p.m. This is 8 a.m. 8:30. Now we're at 9. So for the buys, for the high risk buys, this is where you take it from. High risk buys above there, high risk sells below there. So should you get the sells? Remember, I'm not trading this high risk. I'm not risking my capital. This, we have the jobs report coming out this week. So I see no need to risk my capital taking these trades here. But for those of you with high risk appetite, for those of you with a high risk appetite, and this is an area you could be watching. This is an area you could be watching for me. This is the entire of this. These are not trade zone for me. From here up to here, I'm only going to focus on these safe buys and safe sells. This area here, it's a no-go zone for me. So if I get the buys, this is where I would want to take the buys from. Take a buy from here. Take a buy from here. Push it to here. And if I get a sell, take a sell from here. Push it to this level here. We have these levels here to watch. Target here. So this sell, you could extend this sell to this level here. Okay. Remember, always trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. Risk management is your friend. And remember, this is not financial advice to trade. Do proper research before executing any trade. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow for a recap of the same. I'm out. Ciao. Happy hunting.